I would like to give my speech in regards to, it's an informative speech in regards to a lessons from experience. And this is regarding our Comm 3325 class and our instructor, Shannon DeVore. The topic that I would like to discuss is, how would I like to word it? I kind of had to make a decision whether or not I wanted to go back to college while my children were young, or wait till further down the line until they were much older. I guess this purpose, and this is just to kind of give you an idea of whether it might be easier doing it when they're younger or doing it later once they're older. And I guess that would be the reason too, as well, as far as the purpose for the speech is kind of give you some feedback on, just in case, I don't know if you've ever established your family already, about to, or already have a family, but to kind of give you some feedback or an idea on whether or not it might be easier. Go ahead and start your family. You think you can handle both of them at the same time, or maybe you want to add them and add another addition to your family, go to school, and think that you can accomplish it, or just wait. I guess the credibility as far as the speech is, I didn't go and do any research as far as what other people, if there were any type of surveys were done, as far as with more or less my personal experience to give you, being a mother of 4 children, what it's like to actually go back to college now that they're actually older. Because that was actually my choice. I decided to actually go back. I waited till they were a little bit, or much older, to actually go back to college versus going when they were young. I figured it would be more difficult when they were younger. Okay, I guess just to go into some ideas, as far as what it's like while they're older. I want to say that it's probably just as hard, if not harder, once they're older. And I just say that because for some reason when they're older, it seems like you would think that they would be a little bit more self-sufficient and they could do things a little bit more on their own, that you would have less things to really be concerned about and you have to tend to, but you actually have many more things to tend to. I mean, I have 2 daughters that are in college right now, so as well, along with me. So I'm having to see, that they're situated in college, that their grades, they're doing okay as far as their grades are concerned. Just kind of guiding them so that they know, because I've kind of already addressed the area, so I kind of have some feedback on how to give them the guidance on what they need to do when it comes to registering, going for your books, and organizing things, whether they're going to class in person or going online. And then that's just one thing, for them going to college. Then they also have vehicles of their own, for example. So I'm trying to help them and give them feedback and guidance as far as making sure they're maintaining their vehicles are being registered on time, maintenance is being kept up, things like that. So it's like, actually I think when they're older, there's just bigger or a lot more responsibilities if you wait to when they get older. And then I wanted to compare it I wanted to add too, then that's their responsibilities. Actually looking at them, and then also myself, then I'm trying to combine that on top of what I have to do in school, and then also maintaining home and then working full time. So just imagine, just to give you an idea, that it's really, really time consuming as well. I'm thinking it's much more time consuming once they're older. I'm thinking, just to give you some feedback or a better idea, foresight, that probably if you have children or plan on having children while go back to school, that it's probably a little bit easier when they're younger. I believe there's less things or less responsibilities at that point. Thank you.